In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove audio from video on CapCut. So on the CapCut app, go to New Project and select your video. I'm going to choose this one, which is just an example video, and I'll play it and hopefully you can hear the audio. I just created this video just to show you an example. So here's the audio. This is just an example video, a video which has audio, a video which we're going to use. The audio is just me talking in the background. If you can't hear it, then I am sorry. But here are the two ways that you can remove it. So all the way on the left, you can actually just click mute audio clip and you can see original sounds are all muted. Now if you were to play it, no audio would actually be played. But if you were to export the file, it still would export with the audio clip, but the audio will just be muted. So the file size will not be decreased because you're not removing the audio, you are just muting it. So that may be an option for you. If you want to completely remove it, click on the clip and then swipe all the way to the left and you're looking for extract audio. Now, if you don't have a pro version of CapCut like me, you may be limited to 5 uses, but click on extract audio and then it will extract the actual audio file. And once extracted, you can click on it, you can then click delete, and now your project has no audio altogether. So that's 2 ways that you can do it. I hope one of those was helpful.